In order to get free wallpapers on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, all you have to do is you need to open the Themes app. Once you open the Themes app, over here at the top you should be able to find the Wallpapers category, and then in here you can go through a very huge library of different wallpapers that we can get on our phone. So of course we can scroll down and try to find whatever we would like to use. You can also use these options that we have at the top. So let's say we can choose the categories option, and then in here you can search for wallpapers based on these different categories. And then once you find the wallpaper that you wish to use on your phone, then we should be able to tap on that wallpaper. And then you can decide if you want to use it on the lock screen, home screen, or both. In my case, I'm gonna choose both. You can still make some other adjustments, so you can zoom in and zoom out, and then you can also use two fingers in order to move the wallpaper around. You can apply the depth effect on the lock screen if applicable. We have effects option, and then we can also swipe to the home screen in order to, for example, toggle the blur and so on and so forth. Use the apply button in the upper right corner in order to save your changes and use the wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.